Alright you guys, so what's going on, man, and welcome to today's video. Did something a little bit different. So the next two videos are actually a two-part vlog slash cinematic style video. So I was at Import Alliance, as most of you all know. I got to meet some of y'all, check out some dope cars and stuff like that. I didn't film at all the very first day, solely for the fact that I wanted to check out all the cars and enjoy all the cars and stuff like that, and get to see the drifting, meet everybody and all that type of stuff. So I didn't actually pick up the camera until later that night, and that's where the video picks up. Also, man, I know a lot of you all are watching the videos, man. Just take 2 seconds out of your day, pause the video right now and hit that subscribe button right below, man, and stay tuned in with all the dope car content I have coming. But back to the video. So like I said, I picked up the camera that night, and that's just kind of when shit got rowdy, man. Everybody just kind of went full balls to the wall and went crazy. It was probably one of the best after meets I've ever been to, and that's where the video picks up. So let's just go ahead and get into the video, man, and let y'all see some of the crazy shit that happened on the first night of Import Alliance.